how to export 4K videos in Instagram edits. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can export 4K videos in Instagram edits, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to export 4K videos in Instagram edits, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram edits application right here. Now whenever you're creating a new project, right, you would click on this plus icon right here and select a particular video from your gallery and then select it. So after you've selected the video, your timeline will look somewhat like this, and depending upon the ratio or the quality of the video, Instagram edits will automatically choose the aspect ratio. So currently basically the quality of this video is 2K by default, right? So what I want to do is, let's say I want to change this to 4K. I just have to select this 2K icon from the very top right hand side, and here from resolution I can choose HD, 2K or 4K. If I want 4K, I will select 4K. So you have to select 4K before you render and export the video. So only after you select 4K, now you can begin this by clicking this next option right here, and it will begin the rendering process in 4K, by the way. So this way you can export 4K videos in Instagram edits. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.